This is verse 6 of the 16th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Jesus has retired to a private place, and there at that place he's with his disciples, and he has noticed that the recent conversation with the religious leaders, of course, planted in his mind a warning that he needs to give the disciples, and that's what comes in this following statement. So Jesus now, Jesus, Jesus, postpositive de. So, but Jesus, apen, from lego I say, third person singular, aorist active indicative, but Jesus said, autois, indirect object, dative, masculine, plural. Jesus said to them, and then the horata, this is from horao. It means to look at something. It conveys the idea of looking at it intently, maybe even staring or gazing. It's a little different from the standard New Testament word blepo, to see. So it sometimes extended to the idea of being aware of something, as in beware of it. Take caution, and that's the sense here. It's a second person plural, present active imperative, so beware. Kai pros eketa. This is from pros echo. Echo, of course, means to have. The pros implies the face, facing something, and so idiomatically it's the idea of have it before your face. And it's another way of saying beware. So watch out, beware. This is warning language. Apo, preposition, takes the genitive, taste. Zumes, so from the. Zumes, this is zume. It is declined like mathetes or prophetes. It means leaven. It's actually derived from a verb that means to boil, and from that is the idea of fermenting. And of course, leaven is connected to fermentation, and so the distant sort of connections there give rise to this word. So watch out, beware from the leaven, and then tone, genitive, masculine, plural, pharisaion, of the Pharisees, kai Sadducaion, and the Sadducees. So Jesus, making reference to leaven here, warns the disciples to beware. And of course the disciples are going to put the wrong construction on Jesus' meaning here, because we've just noticed in the prior verse that they have become aware that they've forgotten to bring bread, and that's what they assume Jesus is criticizing them for. And it becomes an opportunity for further instruction by Jesus, which we're going to see in the ensuing conversation.